Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And web browsers are the gateway to internet, and internet is the gateway to knowledge, and knowledge is the gateway to be successful and grow. And in this video I will talk about my favorite browser, my personal daily browser which I use to access the internet. And it's such an amazing browser. The browser name is Brave. I'm sure you all might have, like some of you might have heard of this browser or using it on your daily life. And this is one of the performance best browsers I have ever used. I used Chrome and Firefox and Opera before, but Brave proves to be more faster than every other browser out there. And as you can see, like it uses way less RAM than any other browser, because RAM is so costly, right? If your laptop supports only 4 GB of RAM, you can't afford to afford your browser to occupy like half of it or 75% of that. And what interesting is that Brave occupies only 33% of what Google Chrome browser does occupy on your laptop or desktop. This is quite interesting. And the other one is Brave also provides you with if you like someone who is creating content on the internet, someone like me, or someone who is putting content on Twitter or Facebook or YouTube for that matter. And if you want to thank them or if you want to reward them and appreciate their work, Brave allows this thing called Brave Rewards, and this Brave Rewards is something unique to Brave, I guess. And what you can do is that if you want to appreciate their work, you just go to, for the sake, I'm on Twitter over here, and Neil Patel is putting out some content over there, and I can just click on this tip thing, and it will automatically take us to tip Neil Patel via basic attention token. So basic attention token is nothing but a cryptocurrency. It's like every other currency which is like a Bitcoin or Ethereum, and this is specifically used to credit content creators online. And this is one amazing thing which I found over this Brave browser. Also, it is more user specific, user centric. It won't provide the user with all the unwanted data on the internet, because internet is so crowded and the web needs to be solidified, and you need to get what you want, because your time is so valuable, and you want in the short span of time you need to get whatever the information you want. So what Brave does is they understands you and wants to provide you with value and information the time which you spend on the internet on that particular browser. So it will cut off all the unnecessary things and provide you with only things that you want, and in turn which utilizes only less data from your mobile data, which is quite amazing. And that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next one. Bye bye.